Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to enable iMessage on your iPhone. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is you simply need to click on setting. Once you're there, you simply scroll down, and you are going to see message. Click on it. So after which you are going to see iMessage. You simply need to enable it. So guys, we just enable iMessage on our iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.